Thank you, Sandeep. And it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all participants for this today's webinar, which unfortunately got delayed because of some problem with the connectivity. Most of you possibly have been attending our programs, but those who are new, I would like to tell you, ASM International is one of the premier materials body, and there are a number of chapters all over the world. India chapter in Mumbai is one of the most active chapters. As you would have possibly realized, based on the kind of activities during this pandemic time also we are going ahead with. Normally our calendar is full of activities. We have regular technical talks every month. Then we have technical courses. We conduct conferences, and our mega event, which is held normally every alternate year, is Emerging Materials and Heat Treat Show. So that was to be held in 2020, which got unfortunately postponed to 21. And now we are sure that we'll be holding it in September or October 22. So these are the regular activities. And basically, this is basically a voluntary based organization. Number of members are there. As of now, we have about 250 members in India chapter. There are 5 more chapters in India located at Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Gujarat, Kanpur, and so on. We are in the process of adding few more chapters in our kitty. But the basic theme is to collect and disseminate knowledge on materials and processes. And that we do through such lectures where we locate some good speakers, experts in the field, and request them to share their knowledge. So today's lecture is one such lecture where you will get to know a lot of things about heat treatment. Of course, we have been doing this heat treatment related topics since last, I think, 2 months. And we'll be possibly switching over to other topics like Sandeep said about polymers and medical materials also in future. And we also keep on taking feedbacks from our members. Possibly very shortly you will see some Google kind of form where you will be required to give some feedbacks. So do share your feedbacks regarding the type of talks that you want, speakers if you have anybody in mind, and that will help us in sharing this knowledge with all the participants. So that is all about our India chapter activities. Over to you, Sandeep.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sabnish ji. Today's speaker, Mr. Yogesh Keskar, graduated in metallurgical engineering from IIT Bombay, worked with Special Steel Tarapur in QA materials and special processes and supplier quality assurance. He is a certified quality engineer from ASQ, American Society for Quality. Today's topic is trying to attempt on to understand the residual stresses, reasons for generation in materials due to manufacturing processes like heat treatment, welding, uh, castings, etc. Machining also. The types of residual stresses and its impact on the component's capability to handle stress during application and its usage. He will also discuss about the techniques used to measure the residual stresses. So today's senior technical person, General Manager Mahindra and Mahindra, Yogesh Keskarji, over to you, sir.